need to do is get off and slide. You'll go right through. This is hard. He's thinking, okay, now what's she going to do?
Well, she's telling the horse, I'm going to go through the barrel. Just stand there.
Hi, Cheryl.
Oh, don't move the barrel.
Oh! Bless her heart.
Hurry, Cheryl. You gotta beat them boys.
Go, Cheryl, go first.
Run, run.
Good.
Run, Trish.
Good job.